turning back to the indictment, how do you know that this is lawfare versus a legitimate indictment? Well, it starts out in paragraph 8. We'll put up this little excerpt for you. And what it says is, from on or about April 9th, 2018, through at least on or about August 22nd, 2025, pretty standard language so far, Bolton abused his position as National Security Advisor by sharing more than 1,000 pages of information. It's the word abuse, which is very unusual to see in an indictment unless it's part of a charge like sexual abuse. That's very pejorative to add that in there. Normally you'd simply say, he shared this information. This is the sort of factual rendition here. And then later you'll say that he violated whatever the law is by doing that. So first little clue is suddenly this is abuse of the position. Then we really get into it later in the indictment, starting at paragraph 61, which we'll put up a little portion for you. Bolton's public statements on the handling of classified information. This is like a complete exercise in whataboutism, where it's complaining, basically, that Bolton had criticized other officials for mishandling information. In particular, I think he had really ranted about the whole Pete Hegseth Signal scandal, where they were using Signal to talk about war plans. There's no particular purpose for this part of the indictment because it's not really a factual part of proving that Bolton mishandled information to point out that he criticizes other people for the handling of it. I mean, maybe it has vague reference to the idea like he claims he knows what he's doing. Good luck to Bolton if he's going to raise the defense of, I had no idea I was doing something wrong. That's just not happening